public IP2 headers using route 53. It will take some time to fetch, and I put www.0headers.cf. Okay, now it's running. In this video, I will show you how to create and configure Apache web server in Ubuntu machine. For that, we need one VPC, and inside the VPC, we need one public subnet. Inside the public subnet, we host the one EC2 Ubuntu server. Inside the Ubuntu server, we install the Apache web server. Let's get into the video. First, go to your AWS sign in page and log into your AWS console. After that, you just type VPC in search field and click on VPC. Click on create VPC or VPCs. I will click on create VPC, and here you can get two option. If you need only VPC, you can select this. If you need VPC with subnet, you can select this. In my case, I need one VPC and one public subnet. For that, I will choose VPC and more, and I will give you the name here, VPC project 01. Then I will select my CIDR block here. My CIDR block is 10.10.006. It is already selected. Then go down, select availability zone only one, and we need only one public subnet. I just click on one, and we don't need any private subnet. For that, I will choose 0 and go to customize subnet block, and you just type public CIDR block is subnet CIDR block is 10.0 1.0 10.0 1.0. Here you just type 24 or 25. Okay, then select NAT gateway none and VPC endpoint also none, and just confirm that DNS option is ticking here. You just click on create VPC. Here we done these two steps. One is VPC, we have created VPC and we have created public subnet. After that, we launch inside the subnet Ubuntu EC2 machine. For that, go to your VPC and just type in search box EC2 and just select EC2 option and go to instance running, and here you just click on launch instance, and here we need Ubuntu EC2 machine. For that, you just give here any name, web server. I will give you like Apache web server. Then you select which OS you want. I will select Ubuntu. In my demo, I have selected Ubuntu. For that, I will select Ubuntu and just select free tier and go down. Let it be like this, and select your key. If you don't have the key, you just generate it by clicking create new key pair and just type whatever you name want. Key demo, today's date 25/16/2022, and I will just click on create key option, and it is automatically downloaded into your desktop or download. Just click and save it. This key is used to log into your EC2 machine. Like when you open your laptop, it's asking username and password like that. To log in your Ubuntu machine, you need password. For that, here we downloaded the key for that. Okay, then here you just select edit, and you should give a created VPC name, and here we have created public subnet. Just click on public subnet, and you should enable the public IP because client will access this EC2 instance or Apache web server outside the network, and you can able to connect this machine to anywhere. Here in our EC2 is placed on Mumbai region. You can select, you can connect to this machine via anywhere, USA, like India, anywhere you can connect to by selecting public IP. Okay, then you need to create security group. For that, we need to enable SSH to log into EC2 machine, and we need a HTTP protocol for to access anywhere from outside the network. For that, I will just give the name like um, public security security group, and SSH protocol is already selected, and just give another group policy. You just select HTTP, and it is a port range, it is automatically selected, and just select anywhere, and it is when you select anywhere it is selected outside the network, and go down, then click on launch instance. After that, here we have created VPC and public subnet. Inside the public subnet we have created EC2 machine. After that, we need to install Apache, and we need to try to connect outside the network. For that, we need to wait some time because instance state is running. And after that, you just click instance ID, and you just select public IPv4 address. Just click on that, and you need to install mobile extreme in your laptop or desktop. Then go to session, and just select SSH, and just paste your public IP address, and here we selected Ubuntu machine. For Ubuntu machine, you should specify your name Ubuntu. If you selected here Linux machine, you should give like EC2 user, like this name. In my case, I have selected Ubuntu. For that, I gave name like Ubuntu, and go to advanced SSH setting, and here you can see the use private key. Just click on that and select your public key, public key. We have already downloaded the public key like key demo. You just select it and open it and click on OK. After that, it will show accept option. Just click on accept. Okay, we are logging to the Ubuntu machine. Then we need to install the Apache. For that, first you need to give command like apt get up to date and -5. When I give this command, it is automatically updates the Ubuntu machine because it's showing permission denied. To that, you just log into root user. For that, you just give sudo su. After that, you just type above command apt get update -y. Just enter. It takes some time. Okay, just clear it. Okay, after that, we need to install Apache web server. For that, just type apt get install Apache 2. You just click on enter button, it will automatically downloads. Just click S. It takes some time. Okay, Then the Apache web server is installed. If you want to check whether it is installed or not, you just type systemctl status Apache 2. Just click on enter. Here it's showing active is running. Let me check whether it's running in outside the network or not. For that you need one laptop. Then go to public IP, you just copy it and go to your laptop or any browser. I will paste it here. Just click OK. Here you can see your website is running, web server is running. When it's showing like this, your website is running, you have successfully configured the web server. Here we have created VPC subnet. Also inside the subnet we have created Ubuntu machine, and we have installed the Apache web server into EC2 machine. After that we have access the web server using public IP outside the network or outside the world. Okay, like this you can install and configure the web server.